Ever get hiccups that just won't quit? You see, your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, is twitching uncontrollably. Take a deep breath, hold it, and swallow 3 times in a row. If that does not work, try sipping cold water slowly to soothe your throat, or gently pull your tongue once or twice to reset the nerve. These simple moves reset your nervous system and the hiccups stop. So next time hiccups strike, don't fight them, outsmart them.